blessed day to you, students. Welcome back to our math class. For today's lesson, we will be learning how to get the product of the sum and difference of two terms. Note, multiplying binomials like the quantity a plus b and the quantity a minus b is really important when it comes to factoring. So if you want to get good at factoring, you're going to have to understand how to multiply a sum like the quantity a plus b with a difference like the quantity a minus b. When multiplying the sum and difference of the same two terms, the result will be the square of the first term minus the square of the second term with no middle term. There are two ways to get the product of the sum and difference of two terms. The first one is the FOIL method, and the second one is the square of the two terms, but this time we will use the square of two terms method. This method is a shortcut way to find the product of the sum and difference of two terms. To do this, square both terms and remember that the second term is always negative. In symbols, we have the quantity a plus b times the quantity a minus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Let's have some examples. First, find the product of the quantity 2n minus 5 times the quantity 2n plus 5. Our first step is to square the first term, and that is 2n raised to 2, which is equal to 4n squared. Our step 2 is to square the second term, 5, and that gives us 25. And last, place subtraction symbol in the middle, and that gives us 4n squared minus 25. Our next example is to multiply the quantity 2r minus 9 times the quantity 2r plus 9. 2r times 2r is 4r squared, and 9 times 9 is 81. And then put the minus symbol in the middle, that gives us 4r squared minus 81. In 5 seconds, try to answer this problem. What is the quantity xy minus 2z times the quantity xy plus 2z? Your time starts now. And the answer is x squared y squared minus 4z squared. Let's try another one. How about the quantity 5b minus 2 times the quantity 5b plus 2? Your 5 seconds starts now. If your answer is 25b squared minus 4, then your answer is correct. Keep practicing until you master it. You can do this. Thank you for listening and see you again in my next video. This is Teacher Becca for ClickGen.